In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a composite primary foreign key that you might use for a bridge table. So let's go with um, our classic author book example. So we'll create a table authors, and then we'll have author ID. We'll do that as an integer. Primary key, not null. And then let's say we'll have author first name as a character, and then we'll have author last name also as a character. Okay, so we'll create that table first. And then we'll create another table, books. We have book ID. We'll do the same thing, primary key not null. And then we'll have book title. And we'll end that one as well, so we'll create that. Okay, so then for our bridge table, so we have our table author books that we're creating, right? What we want to do, if you think about it in terms of the entity relationship diagram that you might create, you would have your bridge table, and then within that you would need to assign the columns from these two tables to be primary keys, first of all, in this table, and then you would also need to assign them to be foreign keys in this table. So to do that, you would first need to create the fields, right? So the fields are the placeholders. And so I'm going to do that. Okay, so we created both of those. And then in order to create those as a primary key, all you're going to do is primary key and then author ID, book ID. So it's just going to be, you're just assigning those together to be your primary key. And then the other thing that you have to do is also assign them to be foreign keys because it's a composite primary foreign key. So the two columns together are acting as your primary key, but they're also still foreign keys because they're referencing your previous authors table and your books table as well. So, okay, so we've created that, and then we're going to create our foreign key, which is, we'll say our first one is author ID, which references, oh, I forgot my comma right there, which references the authors table and the author ID field from the authors table, right? And then we're going to create another foreign key called book ID, which references books table and the book ID field. So hopefully I don't have any typos and I did this correctly. And when I create this bridge table, I will have those items listed as both primary keys and foreign keys. So we'll give it a try and see if I did it correctly. Okay, cool, looks like I did. So let me just go ahead and refresh my tables, and then we'll double check here. It looks like we do have both of these assigned as our primary keys. And if we right click and go to alter table, you can see that these are also listed as foreign keys. So we've done that correctly. You can do the same thing by using the graphic user interface. You would just assign the primary keys in this window here, and then the foreign keys. You can just double click and add those here as well. And then when you click apply, it would show you the SQL that you're applying and create those for you. So that's all you have to do to create the composite primary foreign key. It's pretty straightforward. The biggest thing is just avoiding those typos that are all too common when we're writing SQL. So let me know if you have any questions.